Jai Hind friends. The topic that I have chosen for the lecturate today is reservation system in India. It is a very controversial topic right since its establishment during the era of independence. If we have to understand this topic with a very good base, we will have to understand the atrocities that are afflicted upon the weaker sections of our society, that is the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. During the prehistoric era, in India, the caste system was established on the basis of their occupation, of course. Like the people who were involved in, kingship, or you can say in the occupation of, fighting, or in the army, they were termed as Kshatriya. The people who were involved in preaching, that is those who were involved in teaching occupations, were known as Brahmins. They used to give us education. The people who were involved in business or agricultural occupations were termed as Vaishyas. And the people, the most downtrodden, were the Shudras, who were involved in activities such as cleaning your surroundings, of course, right? Now, cleaning your surroundings is not a very bad occupation. None of the occupation is bad, okay? But what is the scenario in India that these most downtrodden people, the SCs and STs, are looked down upon them, especially in the rural areas. They are afflicted with such atrocities. They are not allowed to step into the homes of so-called upper caste people. They are not allowed to sit equally with them. If you ever visit to a village, you will officially see them being ill-treated. And if you are an upper caste and if you go to a village, you will be seen with high esteem. These are empirical observations, I mean, right? So there was a need to bring an equity, you can say, equality or equity as per your observations, right? So to bring that equality between various sections, to bring them on an equal level playing field, reservation system was brought in during the independence in 1950 with the enactment of the constitution. There is Article 16 which accounts for you can say reservation of seats, or you can say to upliftment of the SCs and STs, or you can say the backward classes, by providing them opportunity in various public employment, you can say, right? So that is in the Article 16. And Article 15 says there should be no discrimination between various sections on the basis of caste, creed, religion, or so and so, right? So at the time of independence, or you can say at the enactment of the constitution at the time, the reservation system was brought in, saying that it will last for 10 years, that is till 1960. The framers had thought that the policies of the government will bring that equality that they were trying to find between various sections of the society. But even in 2021, there has been reservation right since 1950, right? The equality that was supposed to bring in, that hasn't been brought yet. Even today, if you go to the village, as I told, the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and the backward classes, all the socially and economically backward classes are ill-treated, and the upper castes are looked with high esteem. These are the scenarios in the rural areas, especially. In the urban areas, of course, you can see some sort of equality. I say just some sort. Even in the urban areas, there is not that esteem of equality that has to be brought in. So what can we do to bring that the equality, or you can say to effectively use the reservation system? Because it is a very controversial topic, everyone knows. I think that the constitution should reframe the reservation system. There should be reforms in the reservation system. I mean, the most ill-treated, you can say, the most socially backward people, the cream layer should be extracted from the overall SC/STs. There are some people, of course, in the SC/ST who are economically way more strong than even the general people, general caste people. So there should be a distinction between them. There should be such observations, such empirical observations to check their social and economical status, and only such people should be provided the reservation system, you can say. And the 51% reservation criteria that has been set by Supreme Court in Indira Sawhney versus Union of India case in 1992 should be, I think, further brought down to also provide the level playing field for the general caste as well. That will actually bring on the you can say level playing field for the overall society of country. That will bring the meritocracy in India. That is very eminent for the upliftment of the real talent that is actual in the developed countries. In a developing country like India, reservation system, you can say the current formation of reservation system is taking India holding itself to the ground. If reservation system is reformed as I have told, then the real talent of the overall caste population of the country will get the level playing field, and only then we can say the our developing India will get the right talent and platform, or else the brain drain will of course continue. And if we have to actually develop our country, we need to reform our reservation system and come up with better solutions. With also, I must insist upon working at the grassroots levels to bring the ethics in the overall population, especially in rural areas, to bring upon uniformity in the ethics, so that the socially economically backward people as well as the high caste people, as is said in those areas, both types of people are looked upon equally, right? So that is what the ethics is needed to be worked upon, and it is that way that this reservation system can be reformed and the equality can be brought in real sense, and then only the meritocracy will be brought in India, and India will surely be a way more developed country. Thank you.